Open the image in Photoshop. And select the rectangle marquee tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Use the rectangle marquee tool to select the area of the image you want to replace with a new background. Once you have made your selection, go to Select in the top menu and select Inverse. Once you have made your selection, go to Edit in the top menu and select Fill. In the Fill dialog box, choose Content Aware from the Use drop-down menu, and click OK. Photoshop will then use its content-aware technology to analyze the selected area and fill it in with a new background that matches the surrounding pixels. Once Photoshop has filled in the selected area with the new background, you may need to use additional tools to refine the edges or make further adjustments.